Finally, a C8 Corvette. I stopped by the plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I knew I'd see one of these bad boys. So here we go. Check out that scoop on the side. What's up, Aniel? This is the 2020 Corvette at the Bowling Green plant in Kentucky. What up, Robert? What up, Tracy? Doing a little walk around. What's up, Dave? New 2020 Corvette. Alan, what's up, man? Just doing a quick walk around before I get kicked out of here. Sean, what's up, homie? If you got any questions, let me know. I can't answer them. Jared, my buddy, what's up, dog? This thing is freaking sick. So, here's your front shot. It's not too low to the ground. I'm sure we'll end up lowering one of these things. Check out that scoop on the side. Hella aggressive. And yeah, they're supposed to start at under 60, but rumor has it it's looking more like 100 after you get one that's nicely equipped with carbon fiber and sweet leather. Can't really see too much of the inside. Look at that square shaped steering wheel. Sweet looking screen. The panel looks pretty nicely designed towards the driver. Here's your engine compartment. Rear engine. What up, Spence? Yeah, test drive. Okay. I don't see anybody around, so maybe the keys are in it. What do you guys think? Black is the only color I see. There's like a lot of, about 200 of them that are covered up. All about those angles. Again, this is the new 2020 Corvette C8 mid-engine. Should be seeing them pop up at dealers shortly. Alec, what's up, homie? I love these headlights. I love this scoop on the side. Look at that. That's pretty big. You get talking, that's a big old scoop. Wheels. Not a big fan of the wheels, but whatever. Taillights. Thomas, what's up, dog? What up, Jason? So, mid-engine Corvette 2020. I like it. I think they did a good job. The window design is super sleek. It's low. Yeah, man. Very similar to a Camaro. At least the taillights anyway. I hope you guys can see okay. It's super bright out. looks like some actual ventilation there. What's up, Norma? So again, these things are supposed to start at 60K. I've seen a few build sheets already that puts them closer to 90, 100,000 mark, even with the carbon fiber and all that good stuff. I don't even know where the door handle is. Probably somewhere under here. Obviously, sport roof. Target top will come off. Yeah, Alec, for sure. Super sick. I love it. If you guys don't have any questions or want to see anything special, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out so I don't get arrested. But super sweet. I'll post some pictures after this post is up. Later.